but I want you to give me an example of a real challenging situation that you've been in and kind of go through how you navigated it and how you solved it.
I think the biggest challenge when we are trying to work with multiple customers and in different places. And when I say places, I mean internationally. So I mentioned like we work a little bit with South America. We have people like in North America, people like from Australia, Europe, and then now they want to have the like everything reside in the cloud, and they think it's just like, oh, just open a browser, and open up. And there's a lot of like data governance that needs to be considered, confidential stuff. So these are challenges that is hard to overcome, especially if you have a lot of people that see everything kind of, I'm going to mention that, like popular or the popular view. They see it is easier to access, or it is easier to bring that into works, but it is not in another project. We had a problem where the specific customer would bring it over to us and say like, we want to bring data from Europe, we want to bring data from all these different parts of the continent, but they have to be everything in a confidential in the same environment. And I said like, okay, hey, this is not going to be that easy. So it was quite interesting to discuss these things because, again, thinking an end user, like you have a laptop, you read a laptop, you plug in the cable, access Wi-Fi, boom, you have access to Google and everything on a web. So I think that's the perspective they're having, and they didn't understand like how the levels of, again, an ISA 95 could be have to stack up and still get the data governance. Because I mean, I can just put in a machine and bring all the data to the whole internet to see it, but is that something safe to do? Again, the IT would probably grab my neck. It's